Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito i-share ko lang po dahil nakapagbigay po to. This is a good inspiration, and also this one of motivation to all students. At dahil sa kanyang mga mensahe, talagang nakaka-inspire talaga, at sa kanyang pagsisikap naging successful siya sa kanyang pag-aaral. So ngayon, pakinggan natin ang kanyang mga mensahe na tagus sa ating puso, lalo na sa mga kabataan. Kaya yun guys, ayan, umpisa na natin.
Nagsimula po ang lahat nung sinabihan ako ng mama ko na, "Nak, high school graduate lang natapos ko. At saka, security guard lang ang papa mo. Huwag mo kaming gayahin." Yung mga gabi, nasa ilaw ng mga poste ako nag-aaral dahil wala kaming kuryente nung ikawalong baitang pa ako. And today, I can happily say to my parents, "Ma, Pa, I made it." Finally, I would like to end the speech with all of us saying, minamahal kong mga magulang, nagtapos na po ang anak ninyo. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Class 2023.
I ask you to allow me to extend my most heartfelt congratulations to the PMMA Madasiklan Class of 2023.
To the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., sir. To all our distinguished guests, to our PMA Superintendent, our PMA officials, faculty and staff, the Corps of Midshipmen, dearest families, friends, and to the Madasiklan Class of 2023, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Before everything else, let us take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to our Almighty God, whose guiding hand has been ever present throughout our journey. His Excellency, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., sir, your presence here today is an honor. As we move forward, we are inspired by your leadership and determination to strive our beloved country towards progress and prosperity, especially to the maritime industry. It is with great pride and honor that I stand before you today. Please allow me to take this opportunity to share my story behind the success I have achieved. Nagsimula po ang lahat nung sinabihan ako ng mama ko na, "Nak, high school graduate lang natapos ko. At saka, security guard lang ang papa mo. Huwag mo kaming gayahin." Upon hearing those words, my life changed. I became the determined man who set goals and was ready to face anything to achieve the success I dreamed of. I studied hard and graduated elementary as the valedictorian and graduated K-12 program with high honors. As a sideline, I worked as a mathematics tutor. And since the year of 2016, I had summer jobs for 3 consecutive years to lessen my parents' burden. I took and passed scholarship exams from DOST, shipping company, and various school admissions. Yet, I chose PMMA even if it means letting go of other opportunities. And today, I can happily say to my parents, "Ma, Pa, I made it." Naalala ko pa yung mga gabi na sa ilaw ng mga poste ako nag-aaral dahil wala kaming kuryente nung ikawalong baitang pa ako. We only depended on a kerosene lamp, and sadly, there were nights that we could not afford to buy kerosene. In spite of these difficulties, my perseverance and determination were the keys to reach my goals. For some of us, the choice in joining the academy was not just because of ambition or passion, but the choice was driven by the harsh realities of poverty. The PMA journey was not that easy. I can still recall that significant day when I first set foot through the gates of PMMA. the gate that welcomed countless hopefuls, yet only a few succeeded. I can still remember the numerous body conditioning, because the fault of one is the fault of all. Due to fatigue, there were also days that our body could not be able to stand from our bunks during reveille. Yet, we managed to survive the challenges dahil sa aming samahan. The quasi-military training and academic rigor push us beyond our comfort zones and help us strengthen not only our bodies, but also our mental fortitude. I realized that a distance from our families and loved ones was emotionally challenging, but it also fostered a sense of independence and resilience. And despite these hardships, it was our camaraderie, self-discipline, and shared experiences that have propelled us this far. With these experiences, to my fellow graduates of Mada Siklan class, halapin ninyo ang inyong katabi at kabugin ninyo ang kanilang dibdib. Tapos sabihin nyo, salamat, bunkmate. Let us never forget the three core values that have shaped us into the individuals that we are today. Let us also lead by example, inspiring those around us to strive for greatness and embody the virtues that define our institution. Sino mag-aakala na isang taong tulad ko na galing sa lugar na tinatawag nilang squatter o informal settler ay mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na makita at sumaludo sa presidente ng Pilipinas bago iabot ang diploma. To those families, friends, and people who helped me, thank you so much. To name a few, the families of Ichikawa, Luna, Cabahog, Apale, Lopez, Matias, and many more. Thank you. This moment represents more than just my personal achievement. Today, stand as a fruit of your unwavering support and boundless encouragement. At dahil sa inyo, natutunan ko na hindi lahat ng taong nagtagumpay ay dahil sa mayaman sila, kundi dahil ay nagtutulungan sila. To the Fleet Management Limited, thank you for your continuous support and the opportunity to travel the world for free. To the PMA, especially to our PMA Superintendent, Commodore Joel Y. Abutal, sir. Dean of DMA, Captain Ladika, sir. Commandant of the NST, Commander Maduma, sir. And technical officers, thank you so much for your vigorous effort in transforming us from civilians to a disciplined midshipman and helping us to equip ourselves to be a future maritime leader. To the Corps of Midshipmen, let's give them one huya! To the faculty member and staff of the Academy, including my high school and elementary mentors, salamat. Yung inakala natin na pinapahirapan lang tayo, pero yung gusto lang nila ay matuto at maging seryoso tayo sa buhay. To my madiskarting Mama Julita, ang supported Papa Alan, salamat sa inyong suporta at sa wakas, nagbunga na ang inyong mga sakripisyo. Papa, pagaling ka na dyan, marami pa tayong ikakamit sa buhay. To the underclassmen, ipagpatuloy niyo lang ang inyong nasimulan. Your assigned vessel is waiting for you. Be an inspiring leader. Also, I thank you for the opportunity of letting us experience and practice our leadership and self-discipline. I want to be remembered not for my academic achievements, but a symbol of hope. A child from an unfortunate family who dared to dream big. I stand here today to remind you that there are countless others like me with dreams that go beyond the circumstances. I also failed a lot of times, but I never gave up. It's time for all of us to wake up, join hands, and work together towards a brighter future. Finally, I would like to end the speech with all of us saying, minamahal kong mga magulang, nagtapos na po ang anak ninyo. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Class 2023.